Hi everybody, namaste. Today I want to speak about the power of letting go and really finding our own truth, letting go and really moving into that state of consciousness that actually fits us best, letting go and really accepting everything that is happening in our lives, letting go and really embracing ourselves, hugging ourselves. Don't forget to hug yourself because this is actually really powerful. It's about loving ourselves. Okay, before starting, I want to mention the fact that I've started a podcast series called Consciously Awakening. If you want to be part of the series, feel free to send me a message and you will be able to actually express yourself in my podcast. Okay, another thing would be, if you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to contact me and we will step right into the play, we will step right into the work, we will step right into finding solutions about our inner state of consciousness and finding solutions about how we want to be in this life, finding solution about how we want to express ourselves. Okay, so letting go. What does it really mean to let go? To let go means to be detached, guys. To let go means to really give up on the things that are not serving you anymore. To let go means to actually heal yourself. To let go means to be your best version. So the first tip that I would recommend for you guys in order to let go is to accept yourself unconditionally. Okay, accept yourself unconditionally. Realize what your power is, realize what your truth is, realize what your consciousness is all about, and accept yourself unconditionally. This is actually the first tip. This is actually what I would recommend for you guys to do. Accept yourself. Realize that there is power within yourself. Realize that there is truth within yourself. Realize that there is an abundant mindset within yourself, and if you have the power to really step into that full version of yours, you will have the power to really transcend reality. Maybe, okay, you have the power to really transcend reality. So the first tip is accept yourself unconditionally. Realize that there is power within yourself. Realize that you have everything that you need within yourself. Okay, so accept yourself. The next tip I would recommend in order to let go is alchemy. Alchemy. Well, how do we use alchemy? Well, we look at our emotional field especially, and we have the emotional intelligence to really go beyond our feelings, to really transform our feelings, to really go beyond our limits. Okay, so alchemy means making the best out of the worst, making the best out of the worst, and realizing what your own truth is. Okay, if you find your own truth, then you realize that you are actually a warrior of light. You are a warrior of higher consciousness. Okay, so find your own truth with alchemy. Realize what your potential is. Realize what your strength is. Realize who you want to be, and actually be that self for yourself. Be that version for yourself. Okay, realize that you can always find your own truth, and you can always find the power of alchemy within your own consciousness. Okay, the next tip I would recommend for you guys is detachment. Detachment. This is actually the third tip. Detachment. Okay, if you detach yourself from the outcome, then the outcome will come to you, because if realizing that you need nothing, you will attract everything. Realizing that you need nothing will attract everything. So if you are detached from the outcome, if you are detached from the material things, you will get to actually be in vibrational alignment. You will get to actually make peace with yourself first, and you will realize that the power is within yourself. The power is within yourself, and this actually leads me to the fourth tip, which is find the strength within. Okay, find the strength within. Realize that the secret was always within yourself. It is always within yourself. You don't need to throw your energies on the outside, and you have to realize that there is magic in each moment. And if you find your own truth, you realize that you get the chance to really express that unique vision of yours. Okay, so find your own truth and really find it within yourself, because the secret is within. It has always been there. The secret has always been within yourself. Okay, accept yourself unconditionally. Alchemy, detachment, and look within yourself for answers. Another thing that I would like to focus on is the state of being. Okay, what is our state of being? What is our state of being in the present moment? And how can we actually learn to really develop this state of being? How can we learn how to how can we learn to really increase our state of consciousness? If we increase our state of consciousness, we will also be in a detached state. If we increase our state of consciousness, we will also get to let go. Okay, so increase your energy each day. If you take care of your energy, you will take care of everything in your life. Your energy is important. Your energy is important, and you always have the power to alchemize yourself. You always have the power to alchemize yourself. You always have the power to be your best version. You always have the power to find your own truth. Okay, you always have the power to find your own truth. Okay guys, so this is today's message about letting go. Let go a bit more today and let go of the things that are not serving you, and realize how much power you have within yourself still. I've learned this the hard way, the power of detachment, the power of letting go, and I realized that it's important to let go. It's important to really move into our bodies and really do the inner work and meditate a bit more maybe. Okay, so let go and really heal yourself from the inside out, and then see what happens. Okay, so guys, this is today's message. Thank you for watching, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. If you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to send me a message and we will step right into the play. I love you, much peace, and like always, see you on what is coming up next, guys. I love you.